It kept that beefy flavor. That's what I really like.
Well, I'm cooking some pasta. Trying to have fun. It's the egg noodles from Italy. I'm doing everything on YouTube anyway. Follow me on YouTube. I'm More Adventure 9000. I need to chop up the shallot. Spinach I'm going to add with the meal. Oh my God, this is my favorite part of my day. I love this. Meatballs. Little garlic powder. Computer. Next. It's like pretty much a meatloaf in a lot of ways. I don't know, that's just how I feel. So let me wash my hands. Look at that. I really want this toast. This is the main reason I'm eating this dish. I want the toast. You want the toast. I want the toast. Everybody loves the toast. Hopefully I don't have to re-wash my hands a million times. Hang on now. Maybe getting serious in here. It's probably way too hot. I finally did it. Heck yeah. That was the first time on TikTok that the smoke alarm went off. I was always worried about it. Not bad. Not bad at all. So how many beeps did I get in the fire alarm? Beep, beep, beep. Was it 4? This bowl made me not splatter so much. I'm gonna stick it in the microwave. And I want to get dirty another pot. So I'll just put all this sauce in here. Actually, it's not all of it. I'll put this in the microwave. Get mixed in. Yoink. Doesn't know. Computer, I love you too.
That's so nice of you to say.
She didn't say it back. I'm still waiting. It's okay. I know. I'm still like a rough patch right now. Ooh, yummy. Anyways, I just like it on the side. And it all kind of gets in there. See, that's what makes it healthy. Copious amount of black pepper. Please, thank you.
I need a shave. Jesus Christ, I know this shirt's wrinkly. Everyone calm down. Look, it's not cold. Everyone calm down. Thank you. Is that too much cheese? Look how shiny my cheek is. Did I rub my face with hamburger grease? That's good, doesn't it? Who can guess what commercial the song went to back in the 90s and 80s? Makes me want to bake a cake. Computer bared down? I'm still nervous from that smoke alarm. I made meatballs. I made myself. And these are egg noodles from Italy. It has more bite to it. It's a better texture. Got a mushroom right there. They play this song, I think in Ghostbusters too. Computer, are mushrooms good for you?
While healthiness depends on personal health considerations, 1 cup of fresh brown mushrooms is a good source of potassium, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, folate, and zinc.
Computer, turn it down.